Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And it's time to talk about the Walgreens ad for November the 23rd through the 26th. This is a 4-day sale that Walgreens has prior to Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. Okay, so they got two completely different ads. This is what they do. And so just be aware that if you want some of these things, you got to buy them Sunday through Wednesday. Okay, and then, because then they won't be on sale Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, now, I do have to say that most of, and I'm looking on iHeartWags, obviously, right here, most of these free after register reward deals they have in this first part of the week are duplicated in the 3-day sale, Black Friday sale, okay, except for a couple of items, including the Reach toothbrush, which we have a 50-cent coupon for. Came out of the, there it is, the August 17th Smart Source. So it's a really old coupon, but it's still good. And then the scope. So in this one, we've got dollar coupons that we can use on the scope. It says from the Red Plum on 10, 12, and the P&G for this month as well. Okay, so those two, if you want those, then obviously you need to do them Monday through, or Sunday through Wednesday. Okay, but the other items are all week long. But then again, when Thursday ad comes, there's a whole lot more free after register reward deals, okay, for the 3-day sale. All right, so she's got those listed out there. Here's the ad. And so I've got myself ready by having my coupons clipped, and I got them all in an envelope right here. And also, I showed you this before, because I've already done a video about the Black Friday 3-day sale. So I've got those items listed out for register rewards and points. And one thing I did want to point out that I noticed after I did my other video about this, these Advil 4 counts are $1 and you get 1,000 points back. And not a register reward on that. Okay, so you got to keep that straight if you plan on getting that in the mix of things you're going to buy. Because if you pay with points, you don't get any points back, right? So, but that could be useful to bounce back and forth between some register reward and some points if you need to do that. Okay, yeah, and Walgreens is a little bit more complicated, and you really should do a little research about Walgreens and how to shop there before you actually go in there if you've never done it before, okay? So, see the list, that's the list of all the free items, Black Friday sale, and there's a little bit, the first part of the week, okay? So I've got those written out, and then those are 3 other register reward deals, okay, that aren't free. So this isn't that exciting to me, and because I don't have a lot of points, and I don't have any register rewards, I don't know that I'm going to do a lot, especially at the beginning of the week, because there really aren't any good money makers, and it doesn't look like there's a lot of good ways to actually roll them to increase, because, I mean, the Reach toothbrush, 50-cent money maker, but that doesn't play well with the other dollar amounts here. Anyhow, let's go through the ad, and I'll just point out some things in here. But you should always look through here, because, you know, maybe you've been looking for one of these things right here, and you think $12.99 is a good price. Maybe you just want to go ahead and buy it. That kind of a thing, certainly. Register reward deal on the Ziploc bags, although I think that we could get a better price than that on those. In-ad coupons on food items at Walgreens, they're always pretty good. So 79 cents on Bumblebee tuna and chicken. Yeah. So, you know, you just might look through here, because you never know what you might find that you think is a good deal. Like $7.99 on some movies right there. And, you know, maybe your kid always wanted these movies, and you think that's a good price. So, certainly could be. The bubble mailers right here, 49 cents, a good price on those if you do a lot of sales on eBay or something like that. Yeah, and some in-app coupons on some little Christmas items right here. Now, when it says 5 for $1, you don't have to buy 5 of them. You could pick up 2 of them and have them scan the coupon, and it will make them 20 cents a piece. That's the way it's always worked. So, and I've done that a lot of times. Unless they've really recently changed that rule, you don't have to buy 5 of them in order to get them at that sale price. Yeah, so if I do a lot of Walgreens shopping, like I said, it'll probably be Thanksgiving or after. And what it's looking like right now, maybe Thanksgiving evening I'll get in there. I gotta have my priorities on Thanksgiving. Okay, so the toothpaste right here and the toothbrush, there are 50-cent coupons coming in the Smart Source on the 23rd, and that's what they're talking about right here, and get $2.50 register reward back, so 49 cents. You know, that might be a good price for you, and it might work in a mix of, you know, a transaction that you're doing, so you might look at that. And let's see, I'm going to get down here to some other deals. There is an Ibotta deal running on the Dr. Scholl's gel inserts right here, $3 back. So if you do Ibotta, you know, in this $5 coupons coming in the Smart Source on Sunday. But better deal at Rite Aid if you have Rite Aid. This Mucinex right here is a mail-in rebate. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It says free, but it's you to pay $6.99, and then you do the mail-in rebate to get your $6.99 back. Okay, so then here's the free after register reward deals. And like I said, those are actually all week long. They're in both ads. And this one involves a $2 coupon coming in the paper on the Max Freeze right there. There is a printable on Max Freeze's Facebook page. I can't get it print because I printed it before. And yeah. So you could try that. These are in both ads right here. Now the M&Ms, it's saying with $1 off a 2 coupon in store, so that's in the coupon book, and a coupon coming in the paper. And that coupon is also printable on coupons.com right now. The Butterball turkey and eggs, $1.29, so maybe that's a good deal for you. So here's the Scope and the Reach toothbrushes, and I showed you the coupons for those. So the Scope, it says there's a coupon coming in the paper for that one as well. All right, and the Dawn, there's been a 25-cent printable on coupons.com for a little while on the Dawn. That's on sale for 99 cents. So basically, yeah, that is that's the ad. There isn't a lot going on the first part of the week, so I might go in. I did write this down. Let me show you. One simple transaction, and maybe this is what I'll do. Because like I said, I've got 3,000 points that I could spend. So I could get a Reach toothbrush, use the 50-cent coupon, and I would have to put something else in there. Points will pay for tax, but tax on it around here is not 50 cents on $3. So I'd have to throw something else in the transaction so I could use my 3,000 points. It's not a written down thing, but you can use 1,000 points for $1, 2,000 points for $2, and 3,000 points for $3. They don't advertise it, but you can do that. There isn't no, you can't do $4, but you can then jump up to $5, 5,000 points for $5. Okay, and here's something else that a lot of cashiers don't know. You can use register rewards, give them register rewards first, and then you can use some points. You can do it in the same transaction. A lot of cashiers be like, no, you either pay with points or you pay with register rewards, but that's not true. Because I can use cash, register rewards, and points all in the same transaction if I want to. So anyways, so I was thinking if I did that, I'd get $3 in register rewards back, excuse me, and then I could get Scope and the Urgent RX item and use that $3 from this transaction over here, and then I would have $2 and $1 register reward, which then I could take to, you know, go and buy, start on Thanksgiving and get some stuff. Just because I'm not so excited about a lot of this other stuff, getting a lot of that when I would have to put out a lot of money out of pocket. The other thing to remember is if you don't have any money at all and you want to get started and you do want some of these higher dollar things, you know, if it's something you want and you think it's a good price for it, okay, and you're going to get the money back, then go ahead and buy it. Like if you want these Healthy Delight chews for $7 and you're going to get $7 back, go ahead and put the money out of pocket for the $7 register reward. And then you can use that $7 to then buy some other things. Okay. That's one of those things. It's like if you don't have any at all, any points or register rewards at all, and you want to get into it, you got to put some money up front. I mean, that's the way it is at any of the stores. So that's just up to you. If you have use for any of the items or have someone who needs them, then yeah, it's certainly worth going and getting them. So anyhow, yeah, that's not so exciting. So I probably will go on Sunday and get some stuff, but not a whole lot, not yet. I'm going to wait till the end of the week. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys later.